Okay, let's go. Ito yung i-unbox natin. Ito. Isa. Ito. Dalawa. Tatlo. Apat. Yan. So, binili ko to lahat sa Henry's. And then, ito, wait lang. Hindi ko sure. Pero, yan, nakuha ko to ng sale. Original price niya was 28K. Ito yung 128 gig. Dalawang option siya. Yung isa, 64 gig. So, kinuha ko yung mas malaki, which is 28. And then, discounted siya ng 26,600 kapag cash. And, itong case, nakuha ko siya ng 1289. Yan. Yan siya. And then, itong dalawang to, I was meant to purchase them. Pero sabi, ito ay part ng pick-up discount. So, maybe, pag in-store nyo siya binili, makukuha nyo itong dalawa ng free. Ayan. So, let's open this together. Last na to siguro, itong dalawa. Kasi, ayan, yung pala yung price. 649 parehas. Pero binigay nila sa akin ng free. Yarn. Dito muna ng case. Maya na to. Yan. Ito muna ng case. Let's go. Hanjajang. Cute! Nice. Maliit lang siya. Pwedeng ilagay sa luggage. Ruler. So, wala pa siya isang ruler. Ilang inch? Nasa 9 inch. 9 inch by ano to? Number yan. 6? 9 by 6. Sabihin na natin 6.5. So, yan. Yan siya. Cute ng logo. Basta 360. Yan. Ano siya? Diyan. Yan. Tatanggal this. Yan. Case. Everything in Chinese and English. Yan siya. And then, padded to, malambot. Yan. Lagyan natin siya sa loob. Buksan natin siya ulit mamaya. Amazingness. So, yan siya. In case. And then, let's open the screen protector. Screen protector. Nagtatanong ko kung may stick sila para sa mount nito, pero wala atang dedicated stick. Itong si 360, since you can like put a magnet and stick it anywhere. Oh. So, yung applicator kit, guide, pang is ng bubbles. Something. Kasi yung lens guard. Oh, dalawa siya. Noise. Yung pang reserve, I love it. So, akala ko isa lang. Nice. Dalawang piraso pala yun. That's good. 2 pieces pala yung isa. Isang ganito. Oh. And the lens guard. Para sa lens. Oh, pwede. Oh. Oh, dalawa din siya. Oh. And meron siya nung panglinis parang sa eyeglasses. That's really nice. That's really nice. Think bold. And we're on to the fourth item. Insta360. Maganda ang box. Yun ang box niya. Yun ang box. Yun. Yun. Ito yung inclusions niya. Snap yung mount, yung pangkap. Yan, yan siya lahat. Ito, original price 28K, pero nakuha ko siya ng 26.6 sa Henry's camera. Yung sinasabi ko kung may ganito silang tripod for 360, I go 3, pero wala daw silang ganun. Kahit sabi ko pang GoPro na stick, wala silang ino-offer sa akin, so hindi na lang ako kumuha. So let's go. I don't know where to start with this. Definitely keeping the box for display. Sucker for boxes. Yan na siya. So hindi ko siya test in store kasi maarte ako. Gusto ko ako mag-unbox. Pero yun nga, sabi ko yung video ko naman. So here we go. Tchang! Cute! So it's here. It's really tiny. Tiny and a bit. Mararamdaman mo mabigat siya. Hindi naman siya mabigat, pero mararamdaman mo yung bigat. Okay, the back of the camera dissipates heat and will get hot during use. Avoid prolonged direct skin contact. Okay, we'll do that. So we have our instructional booklet, the pod and the thing. What do you call that? Oh, kailangan ko pala i-download yung app. Open this up. And this is, sige na. This box is for the charger. So it charges with, ang tawag dito sa ganito. Yan. Kung may tawag dyan. Hindi ako techie, guys. I'm so sorry. Gusto ko lang ng camera. Get. We have the guide and everything. Oh, ito yung yung magnet na necklace. Let's see. Oh. So wait lang. Nasaan yung eme? Nasaan yung kwintas? I don't know. Hindi nagbabasa. Oh, we have stickers. Warranty card. Yan. Sabi sa akin sa Henry's kanina, if hindi daw gumana, pwede balik sa store within 3 days and that they will look at it, the device, if it's for replacement or for repair. Okay, so this is the clip thing. Clip. Oh. Oh. Maano yung lock niya. Let's put it in. Oh. Oh. Nice. And, ito yung pintas. What? I'm so confused. Confused. Oh. Hirap siya tanggalin. Heh. That's good. Oh. Hirap siya tanggalin. Hirap siya tanggalin. Oh. 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 That is so amazing. Oh. What the actual? Taong bundok. And then you can like return it back. And that's so amazingness. Amazing. That's so cute. Then we have this. Oh, this is the mount. Ito yung sinasabi ko na naghahanap ako ng tripod. So, I guess, universal naman siya. Oh, you put it in here. Oh, medyo matigas siya, ha. Put it here. You stick it somewhere. guess we're not doing that. So, itong ano niya, ito yung pwede mong ilagay sa tripod. And then, ito yung pinakabahay niya. This serves as the charging pod as well. So, kunyari, magka-separate sila ng battery. May battery to, may battery to. So, if you put it, let's remove it now. Stika. It's a stika. Sa inyong bilog namin. Then, oh, it's charging. And then, flip yung screen niya. So, you can like, vlog and everything. Or, kung gagamitin nyo ng solo itong si ate Pod, makokontrol mo siya dito. Pero, yeah, let's try to open it up. Since may charge naman siya siguro. So, let's go. Please do not use it underwater. Make sure GoTo is dry and clean before placing it in the action pod. So, yeah, water resistant yung pod. So, ito, pwede itong sa pool. Pero itong main one, hindi. Meron siyang actually dive case na hindi ko kinuha kasi hindi naman ako magda-dive anytime soon. So, ito siya yung mount. Ayan. Quick release mount ang tawag. Shake test. And then, ipindutin mo to. So, mawala na siya. Adong amazingness. Let's open it again. Done. Stika. So, how do we open it? Press hold button when removing. Go to Y. Okay. I can't. How do I? Mamaya ako natanggalin. Baka masira ako, hindi ko pa ginagamit. Okay. Power button. There. Ta-da! English. Next. Okay. Oh, nice. Marami tayong maps din. Amazingness. Let's try the photo. Ano HDR din? Oh! Sugoy! Slide for parameters. Oh! That is so nice. Up to 1,000K. Cool. Auto lang tayo. Auto. And then what? Slide up to shooting specs. Ooh. 690. Maganda. Timer, no timer. Off. And then how do I go back? Down. Slide down to device settings. Huh? Ooh. That's nice. Slide. Okay. So, yung action niya is top right, left bottom. Memory niya is 2072. Photos, if HDR, if hindi HDR. So, na yun. Pag normal photos, $6,000. Then, yan. Pag video, 5 hours. Look at that. And for 40p. That's good. Picture lang. Picture. Then how do we take the shot? This. Learn the button function. Next. Ito. Take photo. Power. Press. Press and hold the release switch to take GoTo out of. Ayun nga yung tinatry ko pindutin kanina. Let's Okay. Short press. Ito. Itong, and, done. Oh, done. Done. Ayaw na mag-done. Okay. Let's try. Kailangan ko muna siyang isync sa app. Ooh, may pa-wide pa siya. Noise. And let's try the release thing. Tagal mo na. Adyang sticker. Release. Okay. So, yun, natanggal ko na siya. Ano. Oh. Yan na siya. Hi! Diba? Cool. Kahit balikin mo siya, nag-orient. Emerald. Yan. Tadang. Amazing. Okay. Return it off. Noise. Amazing. So, ayun siya. Ayun siya in everything. Cool. So, yan. Thank you for watching. And, yeah. Sana natulungan ko kayo makapag-decide kung bibili kayo ng Instago 3 or hindi. Pero yan. Yan na siya lahat. And ito. Ang dalawa. And yung case. Ayan. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Please follow me on all my socials. Bye!